going to show you in this video how to organize your files online. So in Office 365 you have an app called OneDrive. So we're going to open up that app. The first time you do this, you're going to get a message saying they're configuring and setting up your OneDrive. That may take a few minutes and then that will let you through into your OneDrive. So now here I am. I have my files. I have recent documents I've opened, items that have been shared with me or by me, and then things that have been deleted. Be very careful. Your recycle bin will automatically get updated and emptied every few days. So once you have deleted a document, it will go. All right. So in my OneDrive, I can organize my files by clicking on New, and I can make folders. So for example, I'm doing history. So I'm going to make a folder called history, and I'm going to save some work in there. So I'm going to open up this folder. Now in here, I can create new documents. So for example, I can make a new Word document in here, and that Word document will be created inside that history folder for me. So here, I'm just going to click on the tab at the top and I can rename this. So I don't know, it could be a document about Martin Luther King or something like that. And it shows you here where the document is saved. And I do not need to keep saving my document repeatedly as I'm working in OneDrive. As I work on my document, you can see at the top, the tab says saving. And once it catches up, it will say saved. So to work on my document, it will automatically save, for example. And that's going to say saving, 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 and it will eventually say saved, and my document will be saved and up to date. There you go. All right. And that document is saved here in my OneDrive. Similarly for PowerPoint, if you do a PowerPoint or you make an Excel spreadsheet or whatever it is you make, the documents will automatically keep saving. So this is all great. I now want to send my work through to my history teacher to check. So I'm going to click on this three dots, the ellipsis over here, well, this is actually a burger button. I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to share this with my history teacher. So let's send this through to Miss Simons. So start typing in the first few letters of your teacher's name, and it's going to come up, all right? If I can't remember her full name, let's see what happens if I do start typing in her surname and it still comes up. And I'm going to add a quick message. So, dear Ms. Simons, please find my, and it's very helpful to give your teacher a bit of an idea of what the document is about. Keep it very professional and send that through. If you're sending a document to your teacher, right, you will find, Mr. Kid A, you will find that your teacher will receive an email telling them that you've shared that document with them. Okay, so you just hit send to send that through. Now, if you have done some work in your book and you want to upload a document, you've taken a picture of it or you've got a file on your computer or something, very simple. You just click on upload, you click on files. If you have a whole folder with multiple documents, you could do the same thing. And similarly, you just choose the file, you hit open, and OneDrive you'll see over here, you get a message in the top right where things are being uploaded, and that comes up, and then you can literally just do the same thing, share, and then share that with the teacher that you want to share it with. Very simple and straightforward.